Hello everyone out here, welcome back to another video out here. You are watching your favorite channel, that is just.click.com, and today we are going to talk about HP ProBook 6570 out here. HP series की बात करें, if we talk about HP series or HP ProBook series especially, then we can say that HP ProBook series was basically designed for the corporate world out here. Yes, you will find that it was designed for the corporate world out there, basically for the corporate section or the corporate businesses, small, big, large scale, every kind of a corporate world business. It runs, or we can say have a renowned technology which has always been used out here. Apart from that, you will find the Pro Book series has been embargoed with the security of TPM 1.2 security chip system. So this can also be seen in this variant, that is HP ProBook 6570 out here with TPM 1.2 security chip system. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good operating system. Yes, this offers you a good operating system of Microsoft Windows 7 Professional Kit, 32 bytes out there. Yes, this time you will find 32 bytes for operating system out here. Usually we have seen that professional kits are 64 bytes, but this time we will get to see 32 byte out there. So 64 byte edition is not seen in this variant. And let us talk about the processing system used out here. If we talk about the processor out there, then it uses Intel Core i5 third generation processing out there. So Intel Core i5 up to third generation processing is seen out, along with a max turbo boot speed of 3.3 gigahertz. Yes, 3.3 gigahertz is the max turbo speed out here offered at this variant. As well as you get to see that it offers you a base clock speed of approximately 2.6 gigahertz. Yes, 2.6 gigahertz is the base clock speed offered out. ProBook series usually have dual core system, and you can see in this variant also that it offers you dual core system along with mobile Intel HM76 Express. So mobile Intel HM76 Express could be seen out here along with the Intel core system. You also get to see it is offering you Intel Turbo Boost technology too. So Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 could be seen out on this variant, which is really a good version. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that the memory out here offered in this version is really good. You talk about cache memory, RAM, hard drive, any kind of memory, it is offering, it's a very good version. Talking about the cache memory, then we can say that it offers you L3 type cache memory. Yes, it is offering you L3 type cache memory with an installed size of 3 MB. Yes, 3 MB is the installed size of L3 cache memory out here. Talking about this cache memory and everything, let us talk about the RAM also. Because majorly the memory is defined by RAM as well as with the hard drive storage. So talking about the storage, then the RAM quality out here offers you is 2 GB installed RAM. Yes, 2 GB is the installed RAM out here. Along with this, you get to see a rated memory speed or the memory speed of 1600 megahertz. You get to have 1600 megahertz rated memory speed out here, which is really a good version. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you a technology or the RAM type of DDR3. So DDR3 is the RAM type offered out here. Along with that, you also get to see that DDR3 RAM type 1600 megahertz memory speed is being offered out here. You get to see that this variant offers you a good configuration of one slot for 2 GB. So one slot for 2 GB could be seen out here. But when we talk about the maximum turbo speed, it offers you 16 GB maximum turbo speed. So offering you a great max turbo speed or the maximum support size out here. So it is offering you a maximum support size of 16 GB out here. That is the RAM quality. Talking about this RAM, then it has to be in DDR3 format with 1600 megahertz speed out there. Apart from that, when we talk about the memory out there, then we cannot decline or we cannot ignore the hard drive memory, because hard drive memory is really important out here and the major part storage is done in the hard drive. And talking about it, It offers you 500 GB capacity hard drive storage. Yes, you get to have 500 GB hard drive storage in the form of HDD. Yes, you get to have hard drive storage in the form of HDD type. So that is really a good variant out here. Along with that, you get to see spindle speed of 7200 RPM. So 7200 RPM is the spindle speed offered out by this variant. So you get to have a good spindle speed, that is 7200 RPM HSD type variant with a good capacity of 500 GB. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, let us talk about the display and everything, because we know that HP usually defines or designs its gadget which can work best in the we can say harsh environmental factors also. Yes, these can work in good environmental factors also. So this is really important. Now talking about these display and everything, let us talk about the screen size. And talking about the screen size, then it has got a screen size of 39.6 centimeters. Yes, 39.6 centimeter is the screen size, which is definitely good. That's why it is a corporate world design gadget. Apart from that, you get to have a LED display along with backlight technology and an HD resolution. So you get to have a HD resolution of 1366 into 768. So this is the HD resolution offered out here. Along with that, you get to have HD anti-glance technology. So HD display is already there. So anti-glance display is also part of it. So you get to have a good working and a good functionality of this variant. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, we can say that this variant offers a good range of specifications in this. A good resolution, a good screening, a good display, a good screen size, everything is good. Like HD resolution, LED, backlight, HD, anti-glance display is being offered out here. But display and resolution does not alone work it. It works in collaboration with the graphics so that you have a good outcome out there. And talking about the graphical part, then it offers you Intel HD graphics 4000 out here. Yes, Intel HD graphics 4000 is seen out here. Along with that, you get to have a dynamic video memory technology. Yes, dynamic video memory technology could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to have integrated webcam in this gadget, which offers you a capturing resolution of 1280 into 720 out here. So overall 1280 into 720 is the resolution capacity offered out. Apart from that, you get to have a stereotype speakers, stereotype microphones out there. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a featuring of SRS premium sound quality. Yes, it is offering you SRS premium sound quality out here, which is really a good variant. But when we talk about this variant, then we can say that keyboard and touchpad out here works very well with on functional keys, connectivities to each and everything out there, like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, USB connectivities, 2, 3 type, audio input output jack connectivity out there, power connectors, optical drive connectivity could be seen out, which is in a removable form out here. Definitely removable form is there, but you have a connectivity with that. So overall, this is offering you a good range of specifications, great connectivities out there. But does it offer a good battery life also? Because battery plays an important role. And talking about the battery life, then we can say that it offers you a good battery life with 6 cell lithium ion battery with 55 volts. So 6 cell lithium ion 55 volts battery is inbuilt in it. Overall, this variant is definitely a good version out here. But let us talk about the pricing also. And talking about the pricing, let us visit this site, that is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you great range of products, great range of specifications, as well as this site offers you a good range of connectivity to your gadgets, because it offers you profitable rates. Apart from that, you also get to see customizability option. Yes, customizability option could be seen out in this variant. You get to have customizability option also. So talking about this customizability, we can customize gadgets according to the needs, but if it is possible from the company itself, yes, if the company allows, then it can be customized. Now talking about this gadget, let us search this gadget in this search icon. So this is the result out here, and when we talk about the results, we get to see it is offering you a small description, and as well as it is written out here, it comes with bag free along with the condition refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and see what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, and when we say refurbished or certified refurbished, both are actually same. There is no major difference out here in certified refurbished products and brand refurbished products. Actually, let us compare this with the brand new products. What are brand new products actually? Talking about brand new products, then we can say that brand new products are nothing else but the products which are directly released from the company for the very first time. That is brand new, absolutely new. We have not seen any gadget like that before. So that is brand new. Whereas refurbished products or refurbished gadgets are nothing else but are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets out there. Now, what does this mean? What does this whole thing mean? Let us talk about that. Talking about refurbished, then we can say these are pre-owned gadgets. Matlab, once a user has buy that phone, has that gadget with it, that has buy that gadget, then you get to see that that gadget comes under the category of pre-ownization. That gadget is pre-owned. Now that gadget has to be if resold. If that person wants to resell it, then it comes under the category of reselling product, and then it comes under the category of refurbished. So now let us see the chain. How does it works out? And talking about the chain, it's a common chain followed out with base, mediator, and the consumer out there. Whereas the base is nothing else. For brand new, it is always and always the company. Yes. The base out will be the company where you will first time see that gadget. Yes, for the very first time, once a brand new gadget is being launched, it is with the company itself. Now, talking about the company, then it can be any company out here like Samsung, Galaxy, Lenovo, HP, any company out there, any brand. Now that company wants to resell that gadget out here. Now that gadget is going to be resold. Now what happens is once that gadget is being is going to be sold actually. It is not going to be resell. It is going to be sold out. The company is first time bringing that gadget into the market, then it is being resold. Then what happens is you get to you get to sell that gadget in the marketplace, which is a bridge between a consumer and the company. Yes, the company out here brings that into the marketplace, and the consumer, the users from that marketplace takes it off. So this ends the brand new gadget chain out here. Once a gadget is pre-owned, then it can never be considered as brand new. Yes, it is being pre-owned now. So this is not brand new at all now. So we will not say that it will not be absolutely brand new, but you will consider that as a pre-owned. Now, once that user wants to have that gadget or resell it to another person, then it is considered as a refurbished gadget. Yes, this is considered as a refurbished gadget. This will never be considered as a brand new now. Yes, you will never consider it as brand new. It will be considered as a refurbished gadget. So it is absolutely brand new like gadget now. Now what happens is now user wants to resell that gadget. It is brought back into the marketplace where it is being tested, verified before reselling it. It is again brought up on their sites, and then it is sold off to another user. So this is the refurbished gadget out here. In short, we can say that refurbished is the extension of brand new. Yes, we can say that refurbished gadgets are actually the extension of brand new out here. Now, talking about the brand new gadgets and refurbished gadgets, the difference lies out in the testing sites. Yes, you will find a difference in the testing site. And talking about the testing sites, brand new gadgets testing sites are actually uh, not very differing out here. Yes, they do not differ out. They are actually at the same place. Different sites out there. Like for designing, it's a different site. For Bluetooth connectivity is a different. Like every testing has to be on different siting, which are highly designed for that. Whereas in refurbished gadgets, you get to see that the designing, the testing, and the replacement, everything has to be done on the same site. Yes, everything is done on the same site where the user resells that gadget and the new user buys that gadget. So that particular marketplace does every testing out there. Now let us talk about the parameters because they are doing the same design, same functionality, same testing out there. Everything is same. So what are these testing parameters? And talking about these parameters, we can say that testing parameters are nothing else but the external and internal factors. Yes, you get to have external factors and internal factors out there. Talking about the external factors, you get to see that external factors are nothing else but the factors or the parameters which can be seen through eyes. Yes, you can see directly through eyes, like the design, scratches, buttons, uh, power out there, or USB connectors, pen drives, SD card connectors, display, camera. So these which can be seen through eyes, whereas these do not require any software or any highly designed tools out there. You will not require any of these kind of things. So how does this work? Like if you check about the keys, then every key is functional or not. By pressing it, you can check it out. Camera is working or not. You just open the webcam and just see whether you can see yourself or not. Scratches, you can see touchpad out, the USB connectors you can connect and see. Like these things does not require any tool software. They are very quick to check. Now another factor comes out to be the internal factors. Now what are these internal factors all about? Talking about the internal factors, we can say that internal factors are nothing else but the internal components out there. The components which has to be tested with specified tools, specified gadgets, specified softwares out here. These includes like the processing, graphics, memory, speed out there, the connecting purpose out there, the graphics, everything out there. The RAM, the ROM out there, the write-ups if it has. If you are not able to connect it, is the place out there working or not? The internal points are working or not? The core system out there, everything has to be like is all the internal components which you need to be checked with gadgets softwares out there. So this is what the parameters are all about. We can say they are really amazing parameters set out for the brand new as well as for the refurbished products. Both have the same parameters, same sites we can say, but only differs out that the new gadgets, the brand new gadgets has to be tested at various sites, whereas refurbished products are tested on the same site with approval. Now, once a gadget is certified, that it passes all the certifications, then it is considered as a refurbished or certified refurbished product. But what if it does not pass any one product, any one test? What does it happen? Then it has to be renewed. Yes, you have to replace that part or you have to renew that gadget so that you can have a absolutely brand new live product. Now this replacement is not with any unknown or a duplicate or fake part. It has to be with the original part provided by the company. Yes, the part which is provided by the company is used to replace or renew that gadget. So this is really amazing to say that we can have a brand new type product in a very amazing quality out there, a pre-owned gadgets. Now let us talk about the benefits also. And talking about the benefits, number one comes the pocket friendly rates. Talking about the rating, we can say that brand new products are quite expensive. Yes, these are quite expensive out here. But when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have a pocketable or pocket friendly rates. Yes, you will not find they are too expensive out there. They are quite pocketable. Now, talking about these pocketable rates, we can say that since there is a difference in the pricing, expensive and a less expensive price, so you get to have a difference in pricing. So you will get a good amount of savings. Yes, a huge amount of savings could be done out there. Apart from that, we know that brand new gadgets offer you 1 year warranty. Along with that, exchange policies are there. So everything is provided. But once we get a pre-owned gadget, what happens is usually we don't get if we buy from any site and it does not have a condition out here, so you do not get any warranty period out here. But if you have a condition named as refurbished or the product type is written refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished products, pocketable rates, savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy out here. So you get to have overall all the qualities which a brand new product offers. So you can try out refurbished products, and for that, let us visit back the website. We are at this site, that is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com offers you great pricing. Yes, this offers you great pricing because great deals come in pocketable rates, so you get to have really a great amount of deals. Along with that, you get to have a lot of options out there. There is a large selection option out here for you because from top brands, you get to have gadgets in your pocketable rates. Since this site offers you pocketable rates and your top brand gadgets out there and mostly refurbished products, so you get to have a huge savings also. Yes, you can have a huge saving out there. Since refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty, so here refurbished laptops are offering you 6 months warranty period also. So you get to have a 6 months warranty period along with that. Since it's an online website, you get to have a hassle-free shopping. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you free home delivery, money back guarantee, and an online support system. So overall, you get to have a really good amount of things out there. You get to have a good savings. You get to have good collection of gadgets. You get to have a 6 months warranty, free shipping out there. COD is also available out here. Apart from them, yes, apart from them, there is a one additional factor out here. Yes, you get to have a one additional factor out here. That is nothing else but the customizability option. Yes, you get to have customizability option available for you. What does this customizability option means? Customizability option means that you can customize your gadget accordingly. If you would like to customize the RAM, customize the processor, storage, like whatever things are possible to customize in a particular gadget, and if it is provided by the company, yes, if the company has allowed the customization, then you can customize your gadget. So now let us see the website once again. So you get to have really refurbished products from all the top brands out here. The search icon helps you to search your gadgets out there. A call number out there from where you can order your gadgets out there, or you can have an online chat with us, as well as you get to have a good amount of gadgets out there. So this is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. You can check out the description for the link, or you can go on Google and type justatclick.com.